Hello there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the back glass cover on your OnePlus 6T. So I'm going to be showing you how to replace your back glass cover in case you might have cracked it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. First thing we're going to need is some tools. We're going to have links down below in the description where you can get the parts and tools we're going to use for this repair. So we are going to be using a suction cup, a couple open prying tools, and a SIM ejector tool. Alright, so let's go ahead and put all this to the side and get started. So first off, let's go ahead and remove the SIM card tray. It's going to be on the top left portion of the phone. It's going to have a little small hole here. Just poke it in and the SIM card tray will come right out. Next up, go ahead and power the phone off. Next thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to first remove the back cover. To do this, we're going to have to heat it up with a hairdryer or a heat gun to soften up the adhesive that holds it together with the entire frame of the phone. So you can do that with a hairdryer or heat gun, or you can set it on a hot plate, which is what I prefer to use. I set it to about 110 degrees Celsius and leave it on there for about a minute or two. One thing that I do suggest is use some kind of gloves that will cover your hands so that you don't get burnt when holding the phone, since it is going to be hot. So once ready, go ahead and grab the phone, touch it, make sure that it's hot to the touch where it burns just a little bit, and we're going to use the suction cup, place it towards the bottom portion of the phone where the charger port is on the back cover, and we're going to wedge up on it gently, pull up on the suction cup until you see a slight opening. Be patient so you don't break the back glass. You may need to give it a little bit more heat, and once you see that slight opening, go ahead and get a plastic prying tool and you can squeeze it in there in between the frame and the glass. It's also useful to use the help of other prying tools as well. So stick one around to go down the other side of the back glass. Once you have the prying tool in there, you can go ahead and remove the suction cup. And I'm going to give it a little bit more heat just because I want to soften up the adhesive a little bit more. There you go. So it's a little bit hotter now. Now the adhesive should be even easier to remove. So we're just going to go down one of the sides here with this prying tool. Just gently go down the entire side. Don't do it too fast so you don't break it. And I'm going to be using the help of another prying tool here as well. And now with this tool, we're going to go down this side of the phone. So continue to go down both sides of the phone with both prying tools. Like I said, take your time, don't rush it so that you don't damage the glass. If you ever need to give it a little bit more heat to soften the adhesive, go ahead and do that. But I think I'm good here, so I'm going to continue going down this side now. And just continue to remove the adhesive. Sometimes you remove it and it gets stuck back again, so just continue to remove all of it. And continue to give it a little bit of pressure. There you go. As you can see, the back cover is completely removing up now. Let's go down the top portion of the phone now to remove the final bits of adhesive left up here. And once the top portion is removed now, looks like all the adhesive is removed. So we can go ahead and gently just give it a little bit of pressure upwards with our fingers, and the back cover will come out completely. And there's your OnePlus 6T back glass cover completely removed. So once you have your new back glass cover, just make sure that the adhesive is on there correctly, that there's no bulges of adhesive. You may want to clean out anything if there is, so that the back glass can stick onto the back frame of the phone correctly and not have any gaps. So go ahead and position the glass correctly. Let's position one corner first, and then from that corner we can kind of line up the rest of the corners. And then once you have them lined up, go ahead and place the whole back glass down and give it some pressure on all sides so that the adhesive glues back onto the frame of the phone. Once you've done that, you're pretty much done. You're ready to go ahead and power your phone on and test it and make sure that the repair was successful. So go ahead and place your SIM card tray back in and you're all done. Well, there you have it everyone. That was just a quick video on how to remove and replace the back glass cover for your OnePlus 6T. Remember, there's going to be links down below in the description for the parts and tools used in this repair. Go ahead and give this video a like, and that's it for now. I'll see you around in the next video. And as always, peace.